Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Apple advertising personalized ads on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and in here tap on Privacy and Security. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and in here tap on Apple Advertising. Then tap on Personalized Ads. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on personalized ads. And so here, turning off personalized ads will limit Apple's ability to deliver relevant ads to you, but will not reduce the number of ads you receive. So you still receive ads, but they may not be as relevant when you turn this on. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.